Alright, today we're going to 06, 07, 08 Forester. We're going to go ahead and take apart the door panel. We're going to take apart the switch, the mirror, the handle, and the belt molding. So, if you need to replace any of these pieces, we'll break the video up in sections so you can see, you can just search for whatever you're looking for. First things first, this little surround cover. It's held in by clips. If you get behind it, it pops right out without any problems. You ain't gone super hard, but if you just give it a little tug, it will come out. There's a screw down here. Big one for this, and that's the only thing that's holding it too. If you go to pull on it from one side, it will come out. Don't grab it here and pull this way, you'll snap it right here. And then unlock these guys, get those out of the way. If you never need to replace the door switch, that's how you do that. Very simple. Okay, since we got all that out of the way, the door panel will come off. Very simple. Okay. Don't forget to take this off. Some of you guys might have speakers. Some of you guys might just be blank cut out like this. You probably do it with your hand. Yeah. It's not screwed in or anything. It's in with these three guys. They're pretty wide for a speaker right here already. So make sure you take that off. You gotta get behind this door from somewhere to pull on the panel. I usually find a screwdriver somewhere in here. And then you need to lift up and out like this. And every one of these didn't break.